Look at this chart. Gold is going straight up. And not in a healthy, normal markets doing market things kind of way. Over the last 40 years, gold has averaged about a 6 to 12% annual return. But over the last 5 years, gold has been averaging nearly 20% per year. This video is sponsored by Notion. I have macro reports, spreadsheets, and enough tabs open to make my laptop sound like it's preparing for liftoff. Nobody can actually agree on why this is happening. Everyone has a theory, but nobody has an answer. Gold isn't rising because of inflation. Something else is happening underneath the surface. Foreign countries are quietly losing faith in the US dollar. Central banks are diversifying away from the dollar. Buying gold at a record-setting pace. Stock market near all-time highs. Gold also at all-time highs. This isn't normal. Markets don't behave like this when the future is clear. The biggest players are quietly repositioning. If you want to stay ahead of gold and the markets, watch our next video, and don't forget to subscribe for more finance insights.